You are listening to Win on KZKO. Check them out every Monday from 4 to 5 p.m. Mountain Time. Only on KZKO The Vibe.
And now, World Improv Network proudly presents Community Court.
When common decency between two parties cannot solve a dispute, Community Court is there to solve the problem.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Vicarro.
Oh, all right. Well, thank you, Bailiff Biff. That was a very energetic introduction. I really appreciate that.
You are welcome.
Oh, I know Bailiff Cliff isn't feeling so well right now, and, well, I mean, he's taking care of Junior, too, but, I just want to say I really appreciate the change of pace you provide in this courtroom.
Why, thank you, Judge. I appreciate the opportunity to fill in.
All right. Well, I gotta say, everybody, today I had some pad thai, and it was really spicy. But you know what? It didn't bother me like it usually did, and I feel like a real champ today. And I hope somebody else can walk out of this courtroom feeling like a champ. So, let's just jump right into it. We have the federal, well, not federal. I guess you're just a state attorney, aren't you? But you were going for that federal position, weren't you?
I'm going to get it one of these days, Judge. I will, I swear.
All right. Well, good luck with that, Lance Riley. Thank you for defending the state of Colorado. And on behalf of the Mars Company, particularly representing the M&Ms branch, we have the very sweet Miss Lorraine Cunningham.
Oh, hello there.
It's a pleasure to have you here.
Pleasure to be here.
Oh, you're so sweet. You have a complaint against the state of Colorado. They've been dishing out birth control willy-nilly, very colorful birth control, and that doesn't make you happy, does it?
No, it doesn't. It doesn't indeed. You see, that birth control that they've been just tossing around is brightly colored, and it has lettering on it, and it totally infringes on M&M's copyright.
Oh, I know, doesn't it?
Your Honor, I just want to say, first of all, I notice her batting her eyelashes towards you, so please don't be suspect to her attempts of trying to manipulate you with her stunning beauty. I mean, look at that beautiful M&M outfit that she's wearing. It's gorgeous.
Oh, thank you.
I do have to say that low-cut dress is just attractive. Oh, Your Honor, seriously, I mean, please don't let it affect you.
Yes, I wouldn't want my beauty to affect anything in the court's ruling.
Oh, no, I think the scales of justice are not affected by aesthetics or something like that. I don't know. No, don't worry about it. Come on, it's me, Judge Joe Vaccaro.
Well,
I'm a great judge.
We have faith in you, hence the reason why...
very objective.
Yes, we know that, and we watch and listen to you every week, actually down at the courthouse and with the rest of my attorneys, and we think you're doing a fantastic job, Your Honor. Yes.
Well, hey now, don't try and flimsy-flamsy flip the tables on me. All right, just so you know, I'm not into dudes.
Well, Judge...
Don't try, all right, you're taking off your jacket, and
just a little bit warm in here, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
This is absolutely ridiculous. He's taking off his jacket. He's trying to seduce you.
Okay, well, you're taking off your jacket, too.
Well, I'm just trying to level the playing field here.
Sir.
All right, this is not a wet T-shirt contest.
Well, sir,
this is a courtroom.
I would argue that my really tight tank top is a little bit less revealing than her bra, Your Honor.
Well, I don't know. I think the bra's doing a really good job of covering up her boobies.
Yes, I had it professionally sized.
I have to say that you look stunning in pink. I mean, is most of your underclothing pink? Because it looks great with your eyes and your hair. Your Honor, seriously, I don't think you should take...
Well, Lance, seriously, how many times a day do you go to the gym? Seriously.
I do it on my lunch break, my dinner break, and then before I go home to see my wife, because her and I aren't doing so well, I go to the gym again.
So is that, like 2-3 times?
On average, 3.
On average 3, like, in how many hours are you talking in a day?
At least 4.
At least 4 hours? Jeez, man.
Wait a second. Do you go to Power Fitness down on 13th?
That's where I recognize you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I go.
That's right. You're training for that fitness competition next week.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. I really like the way you do your super lunge squats and your upside down heel kicks.
Oh my God, those are my favorite.
All right. That's
I
enough.
have noticed you curling.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Sorry, Your Honor.
I'm pretty good looking too.
Yes, you are.
All right. That's fine. That's enough. Whatever. I don't care. You two can go have hot makeout sessions after court.
Yes, it's a serious matter.
Yeah.
Right.
Anyway, yeah. What's the deal? What's going on? All right. What does M&Ms got to do with birth
Basically,
control?
we've given away some birth control pills in order to lower the teen pregnancy by 40% in the last 5 years.
What? So you're making it look like candy?
Well, not really. It's just that some teens are like pink, like her bra. Some people like lime
Can I be
green.
honest? I'm jealous of your deltoids.
Well, I appreciate. You know what, Your Honor?
I just want to get that off the table. Forget it. I didn't mention it.
How long is your lunch break, by the way?
I'll get 20 minutes.
20 minutes, that's it? I can do a power workout with you, you know. I can maybe we can do like Zumba fitness or Brazilian butt lift or something.
I'm certified Zumba
she is
instructor.
Certified? How do you even get certified?
Well, Zumba is a brand.
Seems like everybody and their brother's a instructor of yoga or something. I mean,
I've even seen her most recent DVDs and her.
You got DVDs?
I've got a DVD set out.
How do you have the time for that when you're vice president of M&Ms?
Oh well, you know, M&Ms. Mars is a great company, an honest American brand, and they value a diverse group of leaders. You know, so they encourage us to go out and have other passions.
Yeah, Your Honor, that's I can't discount that. Obviously, by looking at her, you can tell that she's doing a good job from the fitness side of things. And I'm actually rooting for her this weekend. I hope she wins the competition for the Executive Fitness Award in Las Vegas.
All right, put your tank top back on.
I'm sorry, I'm kind of sweaty. Can I actually take it off? Would that be fine, Your Honor?
Well,
this isn't fair.
Jeez Louise. I don't know. What is fair?
Well, what is fair is this. Let's get back to the case at hand.
I'm just a judge. I don't know. I mean, it's case by case.
Yes, but you do have the scales of justice in your hand, Your Honor.
Well, no, those are in Lady Liberty's hands.
Yes, but you kind of are a conduit for her at this point.
All right, yeah, sure. All right, I'm really awesome because I'm a judge. I think we can take that for granted.
And I'm sure that your body looks fantastic underneath that robe.
It doesn't. I'm not proud of it at all.
Do you wear those compression shirts or even maybe some compression tights underneath that robe?
Compression?
Yeah, because
I'm not a car.
I understand.
All
That's
right,
true.
this isn't. I'm not some kind of hijack express mobile or whatever. You know, that's going bumping down the street with the bass rattling in the trunk.
Well, yeah, that makes sense, Your Honor. Nonetheless, what I wanted to say about our birth control pills have been very effective. They have reduced the teen pregnancy by 40% in the last 5 years, and we make them different colors just so, you know, people that like pink versus orange or yellow or lime green, they're more apt to want to take that with the water. And on it says N and N, not M&Ms.
N and N?
That's right.
Why?
Yes.
What's N and N?
It just stands for N and N.
You just picked those letters?
Yes. It's an acronym for nothing equals nothing. If you take the pill, you won't be pregnant.
Oh,
and therefore you also won't have it.
It's absolutely ridiculous, Judge, because an N and an N mushed together, and these M&M-like pills are so small that when they mush together, it looks like an M.
Well, what would you, suggest? This is cutting down on, their effective pills, and,
Would you care for me to take your child?
Oh, just take him? No,
care for him.
Bring him into my chambers, and
I'll take care of it.
Read him the case of Louisville versus Chuck Liddell.
Oh, that's a fantastic case. Yeah.
All right, thank you, Bailiff Biff.
Well, what I would recommend is that they could keep the colors. I would say get rid of the N and N. Get rid of that N and N. And then stop using birth control melts in your mouth, not in your hands, because that's ridiculous. That just doesn't even make sense.
But actually,
that doesn't.
Well, think about it. They do melt in your mouth. Matter of fact,
I don't know. I've never taken. Have you?
Well, if you want,
do you test it or something?
Well, you could test it later, or you could have your wife test it. I mean, so you don't have another junior on the way.
Well, ex, you know.
Well, your ex. I'm sorry to hear that, Your Honor.
I guess he didn't know that. No, I don't want to make a big deal out of it. But
well, anyway, we would object to that because they do melt in your mouth and on your hands. We have a special coating that no matter how much you sweat, and if it's 100 degrees out, they won't melt. A
candy coating?
A candy coating, exactly, Your Honor.
It's got a little chocolate tint to it.
What?
Yes.
You just totally lifted this out of the M&Ms playbook.
Well, you got to understand the N and N, right? It stands for something very significant.
You mush those together, though, and they look like an N.
Well, that's because the printer is not doing a good job.
You're digging yourself a hole right now, Lance.
This is just another example of government oversight.
Your Honor, you're just staring at her awesome Victoria's Secret bra right now. I know that's what you're thinking. Listen with some clarity here, Your Honor. It's only because the printer that we're using on China, because we need to mass produce these.
Wait, you're using a printer on China?
Yes.
Excuse me?
Yes, we use our printing services and our coloring and chocolate services come out of China in order to keep the production low enough that we can give them out for free for the whole state. I mean, this is an expensive ordeal that we're trying to, initiate here.
Who knows what those Chinese factories are putting in that ink?
Well, we never really thought about that. We really thought only about cost benefits there.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to ask for a state review of the manufacturing process of these birth control pills with special oversight by Miss Cunningham here.
Thank you. That's a very nice ruling.
And, yep, that's my ruling. Live with it. Move it or lose it.
Let's go outside live to the courtroom with Wilford Taylor to hear post-trial thoughts from the plaintiff and the defendant. Wilford.
All right, I'm here with the very lovely and sweet Miss Cunningham from M&Ms. What do you think of the ruling?
Well, I was very impressed with the judge's fairness, and just realized that it was about the kids. Now, are you staring at my girls, Mary and Magdalene?
No.
You looking at my M&Ms? Is that what you're doing?
No. Yes, I'm sorry.
Oh, my God.
I'm sorry.
It's hard enough to be the vice president of Mars Corporation and also have a Zumba training series and then also be a lead attorney in most of Mars's copyright litigation. But to have you ogle at my exposed breasts is just... it's just another thing.
It is. It's just another thing. And, Lance, you're the state attorney. What do you got to say about the ruling?
Oh, did you ask me a question?
Oh, well, I guess that's all the time we got. That's a great response. We'll make sure we get that on tape and put it on the telly. That's all we've got today at Community Court.
The verdict has been made, and the court of law has spoken. Tune in next week for another fascinating episode of Community Court.
Give the Wincast your suggestions via Facebook, Twitter, or the KZKO Win blog during the commercial break of a crime that needs to be solved during Truth and Justice. Next on KZKO.
You are listening to Win on KZKO. Check them out every Monday from 4 to 5 p.m. Mountain Time. Only on